talk to me? Can you, please? I'd like to speak to some other members from that group.
What if I don't want to?
If you don't want to do what?
What if I don't want to get my lovely youths outside of my group?
To talk to me?
Yes.
Why wouldn't you want them to talk to me?
Because I don't want you to talk. I don't want them to talk to you.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
You see how me make a live a group because I come by a live at 70 and the people I'm come hear my voice.
Oh my goodness. She's gone? Well, I don't know. I don't know what happened to her at this time. She said she made the live grow. Well, I see. Are you here, ma'am? Are you still there? Hi, what a powerful girl. She was able to come up here and get the numbers up. Wow. Fantastic. This is amazing. Are you still there? Labor right? Are you still there? I tell you, this is fantastic. Open your mic, ma'am.
No, and yesterday when I came on your live, and I was talking was at 100 and something, and it went up to 300 people yesterday alone.
Because of you. Because of you.
Yes, I watched it because when Uncle Winston came in and the Olympic guy said, he said, wow, hello neighbor, your live is currently sitting at 300 persons.
Is that so? I didn't realize that. I didn't realize that at all. Such is your star power.
Yes. Good energies attract good people.
Oh, you're a celebrity.
No, I'm not a celebrity.
You're a celebrity?
No. I'm just an undercover person in my house.
Yes. My goodness.
Don't come out.
Okay. Well, why you're not wanting the other the other members to talk to? Is there any one of them there online with you now?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't want them to talk. I would have to. Suppose the kids, the people are my university students.
And yes. Well, once we have you, we are good. We are good. So what is the purpose now of the group? Why have you formed it, and what do you hope to achieve?
Okay, so the Labour Youth Movement is an independent youth-led collective dedicated to empowering Jamaicans who support the Jamaica Labour Party.
Say that again. Don't go so fast.
The Labour Youth Movement is an independent youth-led collective dedicated to empowering Jamaicans who support the Jamaica Labour Party. Our mission is to foster political education, civic engagement, and leadership development among youth passionate about Jamaica's progress.
Leadership
Jamaica's
what?
progress and future.
Sorry. Take your time. Leadership what?
So, our mission is to foster political education, civic engagement, and leadership development among youth passionate about Jamaica's progress and future.
Do you have a list?
Yes, I'm reading from the group description because I wrote it.
No, I'm asking if you have a list.
Of what?
All right, no problem. Go ahead.
And then I said we provide a respectful and dynamic space to discuss policies, share national updates, mobilize voters, bring a strong connected network of youth change makers committed to nation building and positive impact. While inspired by the ideas of the JLP, we operate independently and strive to complement existing youth initiatives by amplifying the voices of the young laborites across Jamaica. And also, additional information would have been, because I am a prospective international relations student, then it is a passion project. It's a passion project of myself. So it's founded as a passion project because I'm an international relations student, and it's aimed to exist to bridge the gap between youth and politics, not competing with the official youth arms like Young Jamaica of the Jamaica Labour Party.
So you're not a part of the youth arm of the JLP?
I joined it.
You
I
joined
joined
the
both
youth?
of the groups.
Uh-huh. When did you join?
Actually, I actually joined it last year. Last year in January, I signed up
Uh-huh.
when we had the before we had the local government
Yes.
election, and the
Yes.
local government election was the February of 2024.
Yes. Okay. And what are the activism that you envision for this election? Lisp.
So,
Decision.
so what?
Lisp.
So my vision is basically for us to go there to try to recruit young people to vote. Because my goal is to actually have this election be one of the most powerful election where young people come out and utilize their voting rights and just just to make Jamaica a better place. Because in the past we have known that young people we have heard that young people don't care about politics. So basically, Labour and Youth Movement is to basically encourage young voters to go out and vote on election day. Let's this year 2025 make history where we have the largest amount of young voters going out to vote this election, and not just the
Yes,
for
ma'am. And what
not
are they
just
voting
this
for?
election but the
What are they
Jamaica
voting for?
Labour Party.
Uh-huh.
They're
What are they
voting for
voting
the
for?
development of their country and for the youth development
They're voting
and
for what?
hello.
They're voting for
You
what?
come like Miss Hello neighbor, you come like one PNP. You already know if you're a JLP, you're supposed to know that what Andrew Holness has done. Well, I don't need to be explaining that over and over and
What are they
over
voting
and
for? I'm
over.
asking you.
No, me say that enough time. Can't bother. Tired.
Boy, I tell you something. This no, sir. Mm-mm. I tell you, this is no. Boy, I tell you, this is fantastic. I Mm-mm. No, brother. I tell you, this is great. This is blockbusting stuff. Well, I tell you something. This is interesting. This is so interesting that it almost is. Oh boy. Okay, you get her back, please, my dear sister. Come back here. Don't run away from neighbor. I'm not trying to set any traps for you. I'm just trying to get you to explain to the people what it is. You want me to explain it, and you are here as the guest. And you're an international student. Come on. All right. Let me see now. Do I have time to take anybody else? Okay. 11 minutes after 4 o'clock. Yes, you have to be a little bit more patient and understand my style, okay? No, sir. Mm-mm. I'm not going back on your life. Neighbor just want you to explain. I understand, neighbor, you need her to steal the party, to sell, yeah. I don't want you to tell me, ma'am. I know you are here to sell your party. And I'm asking you what the people are voting for. And you can't tell me. You have to be able to tell me. I know it, but that don't mean that you're not telling me, because you're not talking to me. You're talking to 100 and what? Yeah, 29. That's it. You understand what I'm saying to you? So what is it that you're talking about, please? All right. Poison Tree, you're coming up. Come back here, young lady from the movement, the young labor, right? Let's talk about the development, the development. Let's talk about that. Rig, how you doing, man? Top of the afternoon to you. Yeah, you need to. Okay. All right. Young labor, right? I don't